Welcome to Easy English Talk with Thon.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Talk with Thon. I'm Thon.
And I'm Lee Chai.
We're very happy to be here with you again.
Yes, very happy. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning with us.
Today, we have a calm, deep, but very simple topic.
Yes, something many people hear, many people say, but not everyone understands.
The sentence is, everything happens for a reason.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it sounds positive. It sounds peaceful.
But sometimes it feels not so nice.
Exactly. Sometimes when something bad happens, you don't want to hear that.
Yes, sometimes you just want quiet.
Or someone to say, I understand.
Yes, not advice, just understanding.
Pause. Let's talk about that feeling.
Yes,
Let's slow down. When something bad happens, what do you feel? Confused. Yes, confused. Maybe sad. Yes, sad. Maybe angry. Yes, angry too. And sometimes you ask, why? Yes, why me? Why now? Why this? And there is no answer. That is the hardest part. Yes, no answer. So people try to find meaning, even a small meaning, because meaning feels better than nothing. Pause. Let me tell a longer story. Okay, I'm listening. One day, I planned something important, very important. What was it? A meeting for work. Ah, serious. Yes, very serious. I prepared. I practiced. I felt ready. That sounds good. But something happened. Oh no. I was late. Late. Why? Traffic. Very bad traffic.
Ah, classic problem.
Yes, and I missed the meeting.
That hurts.
Yes, I felt terrible.
Did someone say everything happens for a reason?
Yes, my friend said it.
And you?
I said nothing.
Ha, silence again.
Yes, HA. So what happened later?
Later, I got another chance, a better one.
Oh, so the story changed.
Yes, but not immediately.
That's important.
Very important.
Pause.
So, we can say, sometimes we don't understand right away, but later we see something.
Yes, a lesson,
Or a direction, or maybe just acceptance.
patterns. Let's practice simple English now.
Yes, very important.
Repeat after me, slowly. I don't understand.
I don't understand.
This is difficult.
This is difficult.
I feel confused.
I feel confused.
Maybe later I will understand.
Maybe later I will understand.
Very good.
Great job.
Now let's make it fun again.
Yes.
Imagine you study English for 2 hours.
Very good.
Then you forget everything.
Pain.
and someone says, everything happens for a reason, I will say, yes, the reason is I need more practice. Exactly. That's real. Let's talk about daily life. Good idea. Sometimes small things go wrong. Like what? You wake up late. Yes. You miss breakfast. Oh no. You forget your phone. Even worse. Everything feels bad. Yes. But later, the day becomes normal again. So not everything needs a deep reason. Exactly. Let's give more useful phrases. Yes. I'm okay. I'm okay. I need time. I need time. It's not easy. It's not easy. I will try again. I will try again. Perfect. Now, let me tell a short story. Okay. One time, I tried to cook. Oh, dangerous. Yes, very dangerous. What happened? I burned the food. Completely burned. Did someone say everything happens for a reason? Yes, my mom said. And the reason? The reason is I need cooking practice. Good lesson. So, what did we learn today? Let's review. Sometimes life is confusing. Sometimes there is no answer. Sometimes we understand later. And sometimes we create the meaning. Yes. Before we finish, one last message. Yes. Be patient. Be kind to yourself. Keep learning. Keep going. Step by step. Day by day. You will improve. You will understand more. Not fast, but surely. All right. That's all for today. Thank you so much for listening. We'll see you again on Easy English Talk with Thon. Take care. Bye, everyone.
Please subscribe. Join Easy English Talk with Thon now.